Welcome to your brand new colour trend. This is your White Wonderland. Now, if you like all those icy blues and silvers, this is the collection for you. There's some absolutely tremendous colours in here. So we've got the Turkish turquoise. That's a bit of a mouthful. Love that one. We've got the Arctic ice. We've got the misty grey, so that's your basic Craft Perfect. You've got your Caribbean Sea, which is your pearlescent. You've got the most amazing silver pinstripe in there as well. So that's your cards. But then you have got smaller versions of those cards in your 6x6 pad. And then you've also got a patterned 6x6 pad as well. They complement each other absolutely perfectly. But then going on to your Nouveau, you have got amazing new ones in your confettis. Okay, you've got the glitters in there as well. So in there you have got your blue blizzard, you've got your drifting snow, you've got your sub-zero, and you've also got your iridescent stars in that collection. And I have to say, just look at the colours in there. Beautiful colours. You've then got, let's have a look at the mousse. You have got in this one here, you have got, oh my word, I've not got my glasses on. You have got that beautiful blues, you've got that icy white in there, but you've also got your expanding mousse in that collection. Really, really nice. Well, it's a nice mix into your darks going into your whites there. Beautiful for all those icy scenes. You've then got your ink pads, and I have to say, this is a got to have. This is a basic set of ink pads, which is absolutely fantastic. You've got your blacks in there, you've got your grey in there, and you've also got your clear mark. A wonderful basic collection to have all year round. You've also got your brand new glitter pen in there. So you've got your Arctic Blast in there, so that's your glitter pen. And then we've got our favourite, it's our Nouveau Drops. So we've got a brand new colour in that beautiful Dream Drops there. So we've then got a translucent. We've then got some stone drops in grey. Beautiful. And also a pearlescent at the end there. But you're seeing all this colour go all the way through. And last but not least, this is absolutely amazing stuff. Sparkle spray in there. And that is the same colour as your glitter marker. So you can do all those techniques and bring in extra detail with that glitter marker. And I have to say, look at that. The colours go together so well, building all that different detail in there. It is a tremendous collection with that sparkle of that metallic in there. If I just bring the front of this card in so that you can see. Look how that turquoise just really makes that pop. It's beautiful. So get yourself into the new colourways with this lovely collection, and it's the new trend from Tonic Studios.